Hello and welcome to my tutorial for DayZ and creating a server. In this video we'll be talking about how to create a server. I'll be giving you the files to create the server in the description below, and I'm just going to talk you through and how to change everything so your server works fine. So what we're going to do first is you want to download two files in the description below, which is the full SV pack, and also you want to download the hotfix. Now, just for your own peace of mind, I'm going to do the AVG scan for you, so you know before you even download it that there is no viruses in these files. So there we go, there was no viruses in that. So what we're first going to do is we're going to load up this full, and we're going to run it. So we've run the file here, so in a minute it's going to pop up. There we go. So we've got the language here, so we're just going to hit English. Next, and then we're just going to navigate to our DayZ folder, which is in your Steam Apps, Common, Army 2 Operation, Arrowhead. You're better off copy and pasting the link and then hit install. And we're just going to wait for this now. It should load pretty quickly, depending on your system and how fast it loads. Okay, right, this is nearly done now, so we're reaching the end, and it's just basically just installing all the files and data for your server that you are going to be requiring. Once that is done, it's just updating the actual arrowhead. There we go. And now we're just going to hit finish. So now your server is installed, but before we do anything, we need to install this hotfix. We're just going to run it again, and there we go. Hit English. Just this pops up saying, do you want to create backup? Just hit OK. Then next. Then copy and paste your Steam Apps, Common, Army 2 Operation, Arrowhead line in there, and then next, and install. This one should do it pretty quickly. As you can see, it's already done. I'm going to apply the database, so we need to leave that alone. So we're going to hit finish. And what you want to do, you want to just leave this and wait for it to open up, because basically right now it is opening up your server for the first time. As you can see right here, we have our bat file. And then once that is done, there you go, it's loading. Just one more, there we go, leaving. So that one will then close down automatically, like it's done there. And we'll just have this one up, but we can close this one for now, because what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to change your name of your server, and also how to make it online, and also I'm going to show you how to put a password on your online server. So basically you want to go to your Army 2 Operation Arrowhead dictionary, and you would go into CFG DayZ. So we're just going to tap on that and then go into the CFG file, which says server. And in here we'll have a notepad file, and this is basically settings for your entire server. Now to make the server online so people can join it without an IP, you want to delete this line here. Reporting IP, delete the whole thing. There you go, it's gone. And just make sure that them two are pushed back together. Right, the name of my server, I'm just going to change to 114, and make sure that inside of the quotation marks right here, otherwise it won't work. Your password can be anything you want, like that. So my password is Johnson114 as well. And you can choose your password admin, so when you log in as admin you can change that as well to whatever you want. Right, so that's done. So we're just going to file and save it. So that's saved. So that's what our server is going to appear on the multiplayer setup screen. Our admin password and our password to get on to the server, and make sure you do save it before you close that down. Okay, now that's done, what we're going to do is, you should have inside this folder now a start game and a start server. You don't actually need the start game, it's optional if you wanted it to, but we're just going to create a shortcut right here for the server one, because we need this server one. We can go ahead and delete this shortcut now. So there you go, you got your server and your game. Okay, right, we don't need this folder anymore. So you want to start the server up. This is your first, well, second time running the server. Again, it'll stay starting MySQL for 10 seconds, and it should also have opened up the bat file right there. Once that is done, okay, you should get these little things like you do when you load up the game anyway, but it's not opening the game, it's just opening your server up. And then pretty much, as long as you have DayZ installed on the expansions inside the game, you will be able to join through your normal Operation Arrowhead combined operations. You will go to multiplayer and then go to filter and type in DayZ. When you type in DayZ into the filter by the host name, your server should be there with, you know, a bunch of others, which you can join if you wanted to, but you know, you want to join yours. So it kind of runs on like a separate kind of a game. So there we go, our server has opened up right there and it's initialized. So basically our server is up and running. When I first started using this server, I had problems with loading cars. Now the host or the admin of the server needs to join the game, so the first person needs to join the game and wait. In the bottom left corner it says BattleEye initialized. Once it says this and then it says BattleEye complete, you may start the game. If you join the game too quickly and don't give it time to load that piece of information, no vehicles will spawn in. That's a vital piece of information, that no vehicles will come in if you do not wait for BattleEye to complete basically. Once that is done, the bottom right and it says BattleEye complete, you can just join your game then and just start playing basically. And that is pretty much it, guys. So my server's up, and then you want to close down this one and then close down that one and your server's down. So thanks for watching, guys. If you need any help after this, check out my part 1 and part 2 of my Navicat tutorial. That's live now. But yeah, the files will be in the description below. Make sure to download them. You've seen that the virus is free, so you don't need to worry about that. You can scan them yourselves if you want. And if you have any problems with this server, put a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.